All right, so here we're supposed to solve the compound inequality and then graph the solution. All right, so basically what we have to do is we have to graph this. And so we have over here a -4, and over here we'll have the 1. Remember, negatives on the left, positives on the right. So it's going to be less than or equal to a 1. So it's going to be a closed circle or a bracket. I'm a circle kind of guy, so I do the circles. And here it's going to be greater than or equal to a -4. So it's going to be that direction. And because it has the and, it has to be in both of them. And so it's in both of them only where they have it both. And so it's going to be from -4 to 1. Okay. And so if we actually draw the final graph, it's going to be something like that. Or again, it could be the brackets too. Okay, so either way, closed circles or brackets, and this would be the interval notation. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, so these we have to do a little bit of solving. This one we really didn't have to solve. We just graphed it immediately. Now this one we actually have to do a little bit of work. And what we have to do is we have to solve for x. We have to divide that side by 2, divide that side by 2, and divide that side by 2, and divide that side by 2. So here x is less than 7 halves, and here we have and x is greater than, well, that's just a -4. Okay, so less than 7 halves. Okay, so that's going to be over here, and a -4 is going to be here. It's going to be open circle here, going this direction, and this one's going to be an open circle going this direction, and we want the and, so kind of where does it cross? And so if we draw the new picture, that's going to be -4, 7 halves, and it's going to be an open circle to here, open circle, or parenthesis, parenthesis, and hence if we do the interval notation, it's going to be from -4 to 7 halves, parenthesis again. Okay, so the first one we had to do, what we had to do is we had to solve for x. After that, we graphed both of them and then found where the actual point were that included in both of them. Then we could redraw it in just either with open circles or parentheses, and then we could do our interval notation. So all those to get the actual answer. And some people can do it without doing anything. They don't have to do it. But to make sure, I always like to do everything to show you to get it the correct way. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.